Now, I have two dates. I have today and I have Valentine's Day in the future in 2017. I want to calculate how many days are there between those two dates. For example, to fill my store, etc. I'm going to do equal that minus that, because you remember, dates are just numbers, and I've got the number of days. If you want to do some more interesting calculation, for example, do the same thing but only including work days, that is without weekends, well, you need another formula. If you need some formulas about dates, you can go into formula. You've got date and times, and here you've got all the formula that might be useful, and that's one of those we're going to use. I'm going to type equal network days. I'm going to click on the start date. I'm going to click now on the end date, and there is an optional parameter. I'm not going to use it now. I've got 102 days, but of course, you remember, we have a list of holidays, and Excel has no calendar because calendars of holidays change from place to place. Even in the United States, every state had different holidays. So you have to create your own. That's what I did. And I've added one in January here to show you the difference. If I do again network days, I'm going to click on the start date, on the end date, and on the holiday list. I've got a difference. That's 101 because some of the holiday here are not in the weekends, so you need to include them here. Now, how to do it? The same way, but with weekends, with only the Sundays, not the Saturdays. You have to do the same thing, but instead of taking network days, choose network days ENTL, which I think means international, although I'm not quite sure. Now, take start date, take end date, and now you've got a small list of parameters where you can choose which kind of weekend you want to take into account. I'm going to go down to Sunday only, and I'm going to choose it. It's a parameter, so don't worry, you don't have to learn them, just to choose them in the list. And now I want my holidays. So now I have 122 days if I only take into account Sundays and when I subtract the holidays. Hope you enjoyed this part. Bye bye.